ऑल राइट, लेट्स क्विकली रिवाइज ऐसे 710 कंपैरेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन। कंपैरेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन देने का एंटिटी के पास में दो तरीका होता है, या तो वो करस्पॉन्डिंग फिगर दे सकती है या तो फिर कंपैरेटिव फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट दे सकती है। ठीक है, व्हाट इज अवर गोल? हमारा ऐसे 710 में हमारा क्या गोल होता है? वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि भाई ये जो फाइनेंशियल करस्पॉन्डिंग फिगर दिया है या कंपैरेटिव फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट दिया है उसमें कोई मिस स्टेटमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए। ठीक है, कंपैरेटिव फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग फिगर देने का मतलब क्या होता है कि एक एंटिटी ने चूज किया है कि बॉस मुझे ना करंट ईयर का फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट तो मैं एज पर एएफआरएफ बनाऊंगी, ऐसा एंटिटी बोल रही है। लेकिन प्रायर पीरियड का फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट दैट आई विल गिव, आई डोंट वांट टू गिव द ऑल द आइटम्स ऑफ पीएनएल बैलेंस शीट नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स एंड ऑल। आई विल पिक एंड चूज सम आइटम्स and then only against that I will give current period and prior period. Whereas in comparative financial statement, they will give all the financial statement items का current period and prior period. तो दोनों को ऑडिट कैसे करेंगे? पहली बात तो ऑडिट करना है, इसके लिए 710 बना है। तो ऑडिट करने के लिए पता है आप क्या करो? ये पहले तो आप यू ऑडिटर शेल डिटरमाइन वेदर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इंक्लूड कंपैरेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन एज रिक्वायर्ड बाय एएफआरएफ, and if yes, whether such information is appropriately classified. Then evaluate karo that they have done the copy paste of items correctly. That means the comparative information given in the current period financial statement agrees with the amounts and other disclosure presented in the prior period, and accounting policies reflected in the comparative financial statement are consistent with current period. And if not, if there is any change in accounting policy, the change has been properly accounted and adequately presented and disclosed. During this audit procedure, if you become aware that there can be a possible misstatement in the comparative financial statement, then please perform additional audit procedure so that you get sufficient and appropriate audit evidence about that material misstatement. If you only had audited the prior period financial statement, please follow 560. And as per SA 580, obtain written representation about all the prior period represented by the entity. Along with that, if there is any correction of the prior period in current period and it is reflected as per AS5 and Ind AS by the entity, please obtain a specific written representation from the management about it. Are we all clear? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Reporting. If entity has given the corresponding figure, so please make sure the corresponding figures are presented. When presented in the financial statement, you shall not refer to the corresponding figure except that corresponding figure has any misstatement due to which any qualification or disclaimer or adverse opinion was issued in the previous year, which is yet unresolved, and due to which it has either effect or the possible effect in current period and which is material, or it doesn't affect the current period but it affects in terms of the comparability. Then you will modify the current period financial statement as well. Or there can be a scenario that material misstatement exists in the prior period, but the prior period auditor has issued unmodified opinion. Please make sure that misstatement is corrected in current period as per AFRF. If not, then you will issue a qualified opinion or adverse opinion in the current period financial statement with respect to that corresponding figure. If the prior period financial statement are not audited, no problem. You just mention in the other matter paragraph that it was not audited, but still you will have to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence that corresponding figure does not contain any misstatement that affects the current period financial statement. If prior period financial statement are issued by the audited by the predecessor auditor, no problem. You mention in your audit report that financial statement were issued by somebody else. What is the type of opinion they have expressed? Whether it was modified, then what is the reason, and the date of audit report. But then comes the question that entity now has not given corresponding figure. They have given a full-fledged comparative financial statement. In that case, default rule says, in your opinion, you shall refer to each and every period presented in the financial statement. Right? Now, what is the situation that last year regarding those prior period financial statement, the opinion expressed was different. Now your feelings has changed about the prior period. Then in current period audit report, in the other matter paragraph, please give substantive reason why your feelings has changed about the prior period items. If the prior period item has audited by the prior period financial statement is audited by the predecessor auditor, please use the other matter paragraph to express that it was issued by predecessor auditor, what was the type of opinion expressed, if it was modified, what was the reason, date of audit report. Unless predecessor auditor has corrected that, given a new audit report and the financial statement is also revised. Now, here comes a question that if auditor concludes that the misstatement affects the prior period financial statement on which the predecessor auditor has previously reported without modification, then please talk to management and TCWG and tell them to inform the predecessor auditor. If prior period financial statement are getting amended, then the predecessor and predecessor auditor agrees to issue a new audit report, then in your audit report you don't refer to prior period, because now it is corrected. Prior period is not audited, no problem. You will mention in your other matter paragraph that the prior period financial statements are unaudited, but that does not relieve you from your responsibility of obtaining sufficient and appropriate audit evidence that the opening balances do not contain any misstatement that affect the current period financial statement. Are we all clear on 710, guys? Thank you. 720?